Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see addition of fractions. Basically, it involves these four steps. Find the LCM of denominator, then convert the fractions into equivalent fractions, then add the numerators, then simplify if required. Let me take one example and explain. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. First, what we have to do? Find the LCM of denominators. Find the LCM. What is LCM? Means least common multiple, right? First write the multiples for 2 and 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and so on. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and so on. Which is first common multiple? Here also 6 is common, here also 6 is common. So LCM is 6. And let me teach another easy method to find the LCM. 2 comma 3, right? What we have to do? Just go on divide until we'll get 1 as final answer. So usually we have to go with prime numbers. Which are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the prime numbers, right? So we have to go with prime numbers. Which is first prime? 2. If not 2, then go for 3, then go for 5, like that. Here we can do it 2. So 2 1s are 2. Can we divide 3? No, right? So continue the same number. So we have got 1 as answer for 2. So we are done with 2. We are left with 3. So take 3. So continue this number. 3 1s are 3. Means we are done with 3 also. So both the numbers having 1 1 as answer, right? So now we are done with LCM. Just multiply these two numbers. 2 3s are 6. So LCM of 2 comma 3 gives 6. Therefore, for adding 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, we took LCM as 6, right? So to make 6, what we have to multiply here? 2 3s are 6. What about 3? 3 2s are 6. So if you multiplied 3 denominator, to make it equivalent, we have to multiply numerator also, right? Here also same number with numerator. So then only this is a equivalent fraction, right? Then only 1 by 2 can equal 3 by 6. Here also 1 by 3 can equal to 2 by 6. Right? 1 into 2, 3 into 2, 6. So basically it became 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Means now denominators are same, right? 6 6. So we can take common, just add the numerator. 3 plus 2 gives 5. So answer is 5 by 6. The logic is here. Suppose assume this is a pizza. We are dividing pizza into 6 equal parts, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here what I am telling, in 6 parts I am taking 3 parts. Here what I am telling, I am taking 2 more parts. Means totally we are taking 3 plus 2, 5 parts, right? So that's why 5 by 6. Why can't we add directly 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 as 2 by 5? This is wrong, because this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 3. Means we are dividing into only equal 2 parts. Here we are dividing into 3 parts, right? How can we add this 1/3 part with 1/2 part? Means this is bigger one, this is smaller one. So first we have to make equal number of parts. So that's why we'll take LCM to make equal number of parts. So which is 6. Means divide here also into 6 parts, here also into 6 parts. Then you can add both. Then it will become 3 by 6. This will become 2 by 6. Then add both. 3 plus 2, which gives 5 by 6. Like that addition of fractions works. Okay, now you got the idea, right? Here another example. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. First step, LCM of denominators, right? Denominator LCM. 5 comma 10. Now onwards I will use this method only. First we can start with 2 also, right? 2. 5 cannot be divided, so continue with 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 no. 5 yes we can. 5 1s are 5 1s are. We got 1 1, so we are done with both the numbers. So this is the LCM. Just multiply these two numbers. 2 5s are 10. 10 is the LCM, right? So to make it as 10, how much we have to multiply here? 2. So same number multiply here also. To make it 10, we have to multiply 1, here also 1. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3, 5 2s are 10, 10 1s are 10. So just 10 common. 4 plus 3 will give 7, which is 7 by 10. That's it. Now do this also. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 6. First step, LCM. LCM of denominators. 4 comma 6. Start with 2. 2 2s are 2 3s are. Again 2 2 1s are. We can't divide, so continue same number. We are done with this number, right? We left with only this 3. So 3 1s are. So here we got 1 1, so we are done with both numbers. Just multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Means 12 is the LCM, right? To make it 12, how much I have to multiply? 4 3s are 6 2s are. So same number multiply in the numerator also. 3 3s are gives 9, 1 2s are gives 2. So 9 plus 2, 11 by 12. So answer is 11 by 12. This is 11 by 12. What about 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3? Where is the answer? 5 by 6. This is 5 by 6. What about 2 by 5 plus 5 by 10? Which gave answer as 7 by 10. This is 7 by 10. Suppose assume after addition, if I got 10 by 20, means we can simplify because HCF of both numbers is not 1. So we can divide 10 1s are 10 2s are, like that 1 by 2. This is simplified form. Again we can simplify, means just divide and make it to simplified form. So here are some practice questions. Please solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see in next video. Thank you.